The new Peugeot 308 and 308 SW are here, and they're built with one mission: delivering pure driving pleasure. Designed and manufactured in France, these models embody the unique spirit of Peugeot: bold, elegant, and unmistakably modern. For the first time ever, the front badge is illuminated, a symbol of innovation and character. It blends perfectly with the redesigned grille and the signature LED light claws that define the Peugeot look. Inside, you'll find the latest generation of the Peugeot i-Cockpit: compact steering wheel, digital instrument cluster, and a new central touchscreen with i-toggles. 5 customizable, touch-sensitive buttons that give you direct access to your favorite functions. The cabin is enhanced by multicolor ambient lighting and high-quality materials throughout, creating a driving environment that's both intuitive and immersive. Need more space? The Peugeot 308 SW delivers exceptional versatility with a boot that expands from 598 to 1,487 liters, split folding rear seats, and a hands-free electric tailgate. It's the perfect balance of practicality and design. Under the hood, there's a wide range of powertrains to choose from: petrol, diesel, hybrid, plug-in hybrid, and fully electric. The all-electric E308 offers up to 450 kilometers of range and supports plug-and-charge functionality, making every journey easier and cleaner. It even features vehicle-to-load technology, allowing you to power external devices directly from the car. But power is nothing without control. That's why the new 308 and 308 SW are engineered with a low center of gravity, finely tuned suspension, and precise steering. Every corner, every straight line, everything is designed to enhance your connection with the road. And beyond performance, Peugeot delivers long-term peace of mind. Electrified models come with up to 8 years or 160,000 kilometers of coverage through Peugeot Care, a symbol of commitment to quality and trust. Stylish, intelligent, and exciting to drive, the new Peugeot 308 and 308 SW redefine what it means to enjoy the road. This is more than just a car. This is driving pleasure reimagined.